Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Preeti Singh and I am here to discuss the 11th unit, that is the human physiology. In the human physiology, basically the first question arises, what is the physiology, human physiology? In this, the study of how body works. So that is human physiology. The human physiology, there are so many processes under the human physiology, or you can say the human body work under these processes. The first one is the digestive. Second one is the respiratory, or you can say respiration. Third one is the cardiology, the cardiac system. Fourth one is the movement and locomotion. And excretion. Other than that, we know about these two terms, that is the neural, and you can say nervous system, and the endocrine system, that are hormonal part. So we can discuss with briefly. The first we have discussed about the digestive system. Now we are discussing about the first topic, yeah, you can say first chapter of the human physiology, that is the digestive system. Then before the word digestive, we can basic things, that is the food. What is food? Food is the basic requirement of the humans or the living organism. Basic requirement of the living organisms. In the living organisms, we need energy and growth and the repairing of the tissues. So in this conditions, the basic requirement of the living organism, that is the food. It consists of food having some materials in that, or you can say their food is having the first one is carbohydrate, second one is fat and the proteins. Other than these things, we have the minerals and water. If we can say that these are the biomacromolecule, what the term says that the macromolecule, that they are bigger in size, though they are present in our human body, so they cannot digest in their original forms. In the food, this consists of carbohydrate, fat, proteins, some minerals and the water. 70% having the water in our body, and carbohydrate, fat, proteins and minerals, they are just dividing them. They provide us energy, growth and repairing of the tissues. Other than that, water having the largest quantity, that is the 70%, then water, it prevents the dehydration and faster the metabolic processes. Now we are discussing about the food. Then food having the biomacromolecular substances. So they are not utilized by the body in their original form. That means it has to be break. Then this system, that means the breakage, you can say breakdown of the biomacromolecules into simple absorbable form. That means this is our digestive system. That means the breakdown of the biomacromolecule, or you can say complex molecule, break it into the simple absorbable form. That is by the action of, you can say, the mechanical and biochemical methods. This is our digestive system, or you can say this is the definition of the digestive system. And now we are discussing about the system. Then system consists of two things. That means first one is alimentary canals. What is that? That is the alimentary canal. And the second term is the glands. Then in our digestive system, there are the two things, that is the alimentary canal and the glands. Now we are discussing about the alimentary canal. First one is the alimentary canal. In the alimentary canal, they are having the two positions, that is the interior one and the posterior one. Interior position having the mouth, or you can say it can start with the mouth and end with the anus. Then in the mouth there are the two things, that is the tongue and the oral cavity. Sorry, that is the teeth.
सही सही जा रही है, तो उसके बारे में बताना टीथ इतने तरीके से।
अरे मुझे और क्लैरिटी करना था, पर चल ठीक है। In the teeth, we are having the three terms we have discussed with us. That is the diaphragm. Second one is thecodont, and third one is the heterodont. Then what is the term diaphragm? The di means that is the two. What is that mean? In the mammals, or you can say in the humans, they are having the two set of their teeth in their whole life. That is, the first one is the temporary and second one is the permanent. Temporary, you can say the milk teeth, you can say the deciduous tooth, but the second one is the permanent teeth. Permanent teeth having the 32 in number. In the thecodont, that means each tooth embedded in their socket, in the bone. Each tooth embedded in the socket of the bone. That means each tooth having their own place in the bone, having the socket in which it is placed. And third term is that the heterodont. That means teeth having 4 different types in numbers. That means 4 different types. That means hetero means different. That means first one is the incisors, second one is the canine, third one is the premolar, and fourth one is the molar. They are having the 4 different set type of the teeth. After discussing about the 3 terms about the teeth, that is we are discussing about the dental formula. What is dental formula? That is 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3 multiplied into 2 equal to 32. What is that means? That we will be having the 2 incisors, that is one is the central incisor and second one is the lateral incisor. And this one is the canine, this one is the premolar, and the first premolar and the second premolar, 3 molars. That means the first molar, second molar and the third molar. These are the 4 set of type of teeth are present in the oral cavity. Then we having the upper arch and the lower arch, or having the right and the left segments. That means it is divided by the 2. Then whole set is number is 32. That means humans having the 32 permanent teeth in their life. We having the one exception, that is the third molar, which is also known as the wisdom teeth. That means it is present after the 18 or 22, 25 year of the life. After that, we are discussing tongue. Then what is tongue? Tongue is the muscular organ present in our oral cavity, attached by the floor through frenulum. It is a muscular organ which is present in our oral cavity, attached by the frenulum. Then tongue having some taste buds, or you can say papilla, present on the tongue. Then there are 4 types of papilla. In the tongue we are having the papilla. The first one is the foliate, second one is the fungiform, third one is the filiform, and fourth one is the circumvallate papilla. That means they are having a taste bud, that we can sense or we can taste the food, or you can say we have the 4 taste, that is the sour, salt, bitter, sweet. These are the 4 stages which are recognized by our tongue with the help of these 4 papillas.